HEROTRANSLATE is an application that will translate both Rise 360 and Storyline courses. You may use Amazon Web Services, DeepL, Microsoft, or OpenAI for translations. If you want to translate locally with AI, you can do so with Ollama and Open WebUI. Check out the video link above to learn how to set up your provider credentials to use with the Hero apps. Let's go ahead and do a quick overview of the application. On the far left-hand side is settings for the providers. Below, you'll see source language and translate to language. Moving on into the middle of the application, you'll select the articulate file type, Rise 360, Storyline, or Storyline Captions. You can also work with zip files in Excel format for both Rise 360 and Storyline files. You and your subject matter experts may find it much easier to make refinements to translations with this format. You can also manually place your translations in the Excel file too. This approach is similar to Storyline's Microsoft Word option. HEROTRANSLATE also has options for dark mode, play sound on completed translations, and a history log, which contains the date, file translated, and character count. Underneath there, you'll see the What's New information along with a button for detailed instructions. On the far right-hand side, this is where you'll add files to be translated. Next up is terminology, which is supported by Amazon and DeepL. Last, the stats window that informs you throughout the process of translating a course. Let's see how to translate a course. We're going to use Rise 360 for this example. The steps are the same for Storyline courses. Up first is selecting the file type, and then I'm going to click on Add Files. Navigate to the course file, and then I'm going to click Open. From here, I'm going to select DeepL as the provider. We're almost ready to translate. Next up is to select the source language, in this case it's English, and then the language to translate to. I'm going to go ahead and pick Spanish. Depending on the provider and language chosen, you may also be prompted to select a formality style. I'm going to go ahead and choose Formal Translation. That's it. The required selections have been made, and now I'm going to click Start to begin translation. Once the file's been translated, you'll get a message, and depending on your settings, you'll also hear the sound as well to let you know that it's been completed. Now you'll take the translated file and import it into Rise 360. I have links below for Rise 360 and Storyline if you need some pointers on how to import translation files. In the next video, we'll talk about how to translate a Rise 360 or Storyline file using Excel.
While you wait for the next video to start playing, why not check out the other Hero apps? Designed by an instructional designer to make e-learning development less tedious, be sure to visit Thor's Hero App YouTube channel for more information.